Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Metamask to your Binance wallet, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metamask app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metamask apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a Ethereum main network at the top of this dashboard. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a add network at the bottom of this section. So let's tap on that add network, and finally you can see there is a BNB chain at the third, and don't forget you will find the add option at the right side of this BNB chain. So let's tap on that add, and now finally confirm it, and finally tap on the switch to network, and yeah, you will be able to connect your Metamask to your Binance Wallet app successfully. So basically this is how you can connect Metamask to Binance Wallet, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.